right. This is the southernmost rain drain at Atlantic Towers. We're looking down. We went past the first 90-degree bend in the roof, and we went past the second 90-degree bend, so now we're hanging down the pipe, and we're going to start inspecting this pipe going down. It's a 5-inch pipe, so we're going to proceed down the pipe and inspect it. That's a pipe joint. On the bottom left, you might have some pipe cracks, it appears. Here you have a repair. Someone repaired a part of the pipe. Some kind of cracks, it appears, on the left side of the pipe. Pipe joint. These joints do look very suspicious. I'm not sure why the rest of the pipe's in a good condition, but these joints, something appears to be different about them. Different material. They almost seem dislocated or something, but they're in pretty bad shape. It's almost like there's a hole in the left side of this, the left side of the screen. It seems like there's a hole in the joint. Wow. They're degrading for some reason. Almost like there's a different material there. Cathodic corrosion. That's why the ends of the pipes are corroding, where the joints are. So there's some kind of electrolytic process going on, where you have a positive and negative charge on a metal passing through. These are some joints from some other pipes coming in. Connections, I should say. Here's the bottom of the pipe. There's a 90-degree bend there, and another 90, and then there's another 90 after that. I'm going to try to go as far as the camera will let us. Okay, yeah, we've actually gone through 5 90s in total. And now we're looking at the bottom of the pipe underground, where it turns out it goes horizontally level to the main storm drains outside the building. So we've videoed the whole vertical section right now. So that's the end of the first pipe video.